Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend, and hope you're ready for a great week of trading this. So we're going to start this evening with big picture. All right. So let's get right to it. We do have a lot of information to go over. Okay. So let's see here. So pound yen. All right. Pound yen. You guys know big move happening in the yen pairs. Big picture on pound yen, all right, is that we are for the month. This is a monthly time frame. All right, we are breaking a big resistance right here. So big resistance here on pound yen. All right, we're breaking through monthly time frame. All right, so big candle right here, breaking resistance. The last time, guys, we got to this resistance right here was 2015. So on the monthly time frame now. All right, and here we are. All right, 2000 what 24. Here we are breaking resistance here on a big monthly candle, breaking resistance here. All right, so you guys know we had a great week last week with the yen pairs. They're continuing to hold. We'll take a look at those yen pairs in Monster Scalper. All right. The yen itself is still continuing to go short. All right. So as the yen, pound yen moves higher, the yen itself in the futures market, that's moving lower. All right. So great short going here in the yen. All right. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is trading below 64,000. Remember, 64,000, we have a big resistance at 64,000, right? That's a concern. We've talked about 64,000. Bitcoin needed to stay above 64,000. Currently trading at 62,800. That is a concern for Bitcoin. All right. This is where sellers came in before, right here. All right. Push that price lower at 64,000. All right. And again here. All right. 64,000 failed. And here we are right now trading below 64,000. If Bitcoin needs to hold, has to hold above 64,000. All right. So we'll keep that in mind as we move, all right, through the week. All right, the dollar index just holding firm right here on the weekly time frame. Gold is retracing, guys. This area right here, right? I would say 2200 and change on gold. That's I wouldn't call it resistance. Resistance would be right about here. All right, but this area here, all right, just keep an eye on it. All right, purple support and resistance, and gold has been coming down. All right, gold has now. In order for gold to hold, we need to have new support and resistance levels. Needs to consolidate and then continue to move higher. The issue with gold is that we could see gold come all the way back down. This could be a spike, just like here, like here, like here, and even here. All right. So gold needs to hold. All right. Needs to hold. Crude oil just holding here. And this is big picture now. Commodity index buy signal just holding. No big change in commodity index right here. The Russell pull back a bit, still trading between support and resistance. All right. We had an up week last week, but below resistance here. All right, S&P, all right, it's holding. Nasdaq holding now. Nasdaq is trading below resistance level here. So fail to hold above resistance, trading below resistance right here. All right, that's the Nasdaq. And the Dow, all right, Dow is holding purple support and resistance. Any selling this week, we could see Nasdaq come below this resistance line, and then that definitely would be a concern. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at futures market. Right, futures market, the dollar right here. All right, looks like it wants to break through resistance. All right, currently is up right now. All right, so dollar is up in the futures market, and all our E-minis are up right now. So Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, E-minis, all are up right now in the futures market. Okay. Now let's take a look at current positions. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through these. And we'll start with the yen pairs. Great trades last week with the yen pairs. All right. All right, New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen. Buy signal here, guys. Great price action. Buy signal here. Really good price action. Moving up nicely there. New Zealand yen. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. Look at this trade, guys. Buy signal here. Nice price action for tons of pips. This is almost, what's that? 400 pips, guys. All right, great trade. Pound yen. Buy signal here. Right, holding. All right, even the open today still holding. Okay, we could get a pullback. All right, on these yen pairs. Right, very oversold right now. Okay, that doesn't mean they can't go any higher, but what we'd like to see is support and resistance lines come in, consolidate, and then break through resistance. Okay, so if you're not in these trades, can get in, it's too late. Okay, pound yen. SGD JPY, Singapore dollar yen, almost similar trade. Buy signal here. Great price action, right? Really moved higher. This is for about 300 pips. Great trade going here. Aussie yen, guys. Aussie yen, another good trade. Buy signal here. Good price action. Moving higher. We can remove this right here. Buy signal here. Great trade going. All right, so Swiss yen, if you guys missed these trades, you've missed a good run. All right, Swiss yen, all right, buy signal right here. All right, nice move higher. Absolutely great move straight up. All right, straight up. Good price action. Okay, let's see here. All right, HKD, that's Swiss yen. HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal here. Let's move this. So that's your Hong Kong yen. All right. Buy signal here. Nice move higher here. Hey, Alexis. Welcome, Alexis. Welcome. All right. All right. Aussie dollar. Let's go through Aussie dollar. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely, guys. All right. Resistance is right here. Just keep in mind. Just remember, right? Always look above. All right. We have resistance here. So sellers are sitting here, 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 and here. All right, so here we are, buy signal, moving up the markup phase, markdown phase here. Good trade. These Aussie pairs, remember, will go along with the yen pairs. So Aussie, yen, and Kiwi or New Zealand pairs will move together. Okay, so Aussie dollar, great trade going. Aussie, New Zealand. All right, buy signal here, holding right here. A bit of a pullback, but holding right here. Hey, Peter, welcome, Peter. Welcome, buddy. All right, Aussie, New Zealand, buy signal here, holding here, firm. Aussie, Swiss. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely, needs to get past resistance right here. All right, so great trades going. All right, your number one trade for last week, right, was the yen pairs. All right. Hopefully, we'd like to see a continuation. All right. And so far, they're holding. All right. This evening. Okay. Aussie Swiss, like I said, buy signal here needs to get past resistance here. Okay. All right. New Zealand dollar. So the Kiwi pairs. All right. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here. All right, white candles. We need to break through resistance here. All right, so let's draw a horizontal line right here. So we need to break resistance right here. Target all the way up here. All right, New Zealand Swiss. Buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely. We need to break through resistance right here. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could bring in your trend line here. All right, trend line here. We got to get past sellers that are sitting here, here. Buy signal here. We need to move higher, break resistance. Now, the Kiwi pairs will follow the yen pairs. Okay, so just hold on, right? Need to break through resistance there. Right, euro dollar, buy signal here. That's holding so far. Let's move this here. All right. Target is up here. White candles. So keep an eye on that. All right. Long as we don't have any red candles, should be fine. Buy signal here. Need that to continue to move higher. Remember, euro dollar, pound dollar, that's the inverse. All right. So as the dollar pairs come down, these pairs will move higher. All right. And then pound dollar holding firm. All right, pound dollar holding firm. Buy signal here. First target resistance is here. We might have some resistance right over here. Let's bring this in here. But the number one trade, guys, for last week was the yen pairs. Okay, and I heard from a number of you. Great job. All right, now a few of you only had a couple of positions in those yen pairs. Just remember when we have a rotation and these pairs are moving, right? We want to jump on that move. Okay, you don't want to put all your capital in the yen pairs, but definitely more in those pairs than any other group. Okay, all right. All right, short positions in monster scalper. I want to do this one more time. Yen pairs. Just remember, all right, because this trade is not over yet. All right, so New Zealand yen, pound yen. If you guys missed it on the 240, look for opportunities on the smaller time frames. Okay, so 60, even 30, even 15 if you can. All right, Aussie yen. All right, big moves, guys, big moves. This is for about 300%. On average, 300 pips. All right, here, big move here, SGD. So that's the move right now. That's the number one move right now, right, in all of Forex is the yen pairs. And we looked at pound yen big picture. All right, so on the monthly time frame, so that's a big break of resistance that's happening, all right, after a number of years. Okay, so we like to see the yen pairs move higher. Shorts in monster scalper. So USD ZAR, all right, USD ZAR. So we have a short going here in the ZAR pairs. All right. So sell short signal is here. We're looking to get to support down here. Okay. So sell short signal right here, moving nicely. Support is down here. So our target is right here. Now, this is where buyers came in, pushed the price back up here, and here. Here we are. So as it comes closer to that support area, you can move your time frame, smaller time frame to time your exit. Okay, buyers will come in just like they've done here and here, big candles. All right, so make sure, all right, as it comes closer to that support area, just right minimize your time frame, all right, to monitor your exit. All right, so that's dollar ZAR. Dollar HUF, sell short signal is here, pulling back a bit here. We need sellers to come on back down. All right, target on USD HUF is right here. Now the dollar is currently up. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, target is here. Keep an eye on this one. If you get a white candle, you might want to close the trade. Okay, it's really retracing here. Sell short signal is here. All right, so keep an eye on that. USD PLN. All right, USD PLN. All right. No, that's not a very good risk reward Another very good risk reward trade here. Sell short signal is here pulling back. We need to break through support here. First level of support is here. We need red candles to come on down. All right. First target, second target is here. All right. The issue with these dollar short pairs, and we were hoping that they would break down by now, is that with the dollar index, we look here, all right, the dollar is holding here. All right, we really need that dollar to come on down, right? Give a sell signal and come on down, but it's holding here. So if the dollar index breaks through that resistance, these shorts will not work out. So really keep an eye on these shorts, okay? All right, in Monster Scalper. Okay, USD PLN, USD DKK, same thing. Sell short signal is here, holding so far. We need sellers to come on down. Target is about here. Okay, USD HKD right here. Eurozar, good short going here. Sell short signal is here. All right, this is where resistance failed up here. All right, target on this one, support is down here, right here is support. All right, so if it breaks through that support, there's a good chance, right? We can go much, much lower. All right, support is here, sell short signal moving down nicely there. Okay, all right. Now, long positions in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's go through those. We have a lot of trades, guys. All right. So long positions, yen pairs in Forex Dominator. All right. Swiss yen, buy signal here. Nice move there. Broke resistance. Our resistance is right here. All right. So nice big break of resistance right about here. Buy signal came in right here. Blue arrow right here. Right. Nice pullback. Nice big candle. Right. Close on Friday. Here we are right here. Good buy signal came in there. USD CHF. HKD JPY. Buy signal here. Nice trade going here, guys. Tons of pips here. Buy signal here. Great trade going on the daily time frame. HKD JPY. Great trade going there. Okay. NZD JPY. Another good breakout. All right. Buy signal here. Broke resistance. All right. Here is resistance. Broke out on Thursday. Continued on Friday. Here we are today. All right. So nice trade going there. Now we are expecting continuation, guys, with the yen pairs. Okay. So don't expect any huge pullbacks. Right. It could pull back, but we're expecting big, big moves in the yen pairs. All right. Remember, monthly time frame. We have to keep going back through this. So you guys know. All right. We're expecting a big move in the yen pairs. This is pound yen, and the other yen pairs will follow pound yen. Monthly time frame. This is a big resistance we are breaking here. All right. This resistance, last resistance was 2015, guys. And here we are breaking that resistance in a big way. All right. On the monthly time frame. Here we are. Big candle here. Lots of buying. All right. So we don't want to short pound yen or any of the other yen pairs. All right. They're moving higher. And we have a target of about right here. All right. For pound yen. And remember, the other yen pairs will follow. Okay. So just remember that. All right. So New Zealand yen, big move here. This is an early breakout. All right. Just this move already is a little over 200 pips already. So we're expecting more. All right. If the market change, hey, we'll know. All right. Otherwise, we follow the move. SGD JPY, Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here. Look at that. Really good price action, guys. Day after day after day. Right. Look at that. All right. Higher lows, higher highs. Big candle came in on Friday. Great trade going there. SGD JPY for almost, what's that? 400 pips. All right. Great trade going there. USD JPY. We've been watching these yen pairs, guys. All right. No surprise. USD JPY buy signal here. We know it's been following this, right? Hugging that resistance line. We said, hey, when they're holding that resistance line, right, really good chance they'll break to the upside. All right. Here we are. Nice big candle here, broke to the upside and just continue to move higher all next week. All right. Great trade here. Tons of pips. All right. This one here, almost what, 700 pips, lots of pips there. Okay. All right. So these are all the yen pairs now, the dollar pairs. Keep an eye on these dollar pairs. Okay. So USD CNH buy signal here, that's holding so far. USD HUF buy signal here, that's holding. It's rare that we see the yen pairs and the dollar pairs move higher. Okay. It's rare. It happens, but it's rare. Okay. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right. So USD HUF. All right. Anthony got some of that yen move. All right. USD MXN buy signal here. That's holding. USD NOK buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Needs to break through resistance. All right. Buy signal here. Good support down here. Good resistance here. Buy signal here. We need price to get to that resistance, all right, and then break through resistance, get past these sellers. Sellers are sitting here, right here, right here. Here we are, need to break through that resistance, okay? USD NOK. USD SEK, again on the monthly time frame, buy signal here in Forex Dominator, buy signal, right? Trading right here, we need to get past resistance here. Again, this is where sellers, we always want to be aware of where these sellers are sitting. All right. So buy signal here, moving up nicely. Need to get past sellers here. All right. If we get a white candle anywhere up in this area here, we might want to get out. All right. Get out quickly. Okay. USD SGD. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely here. Next resistance right here. If we can get past resistance here, next target all the way up here. All right. But again, keep an eye on these dollar pairs. All right. Your best trade right now are the yen pairs. Okay. Yen pairs long. All right. Long. All right. Monster futures. We have a couple of positions here in monster futures. Let's take a look at those. And we'll see if there are any new opportunities. So crude oil, remember commodities, guys, that's the trade right now. All right. All right. So crude oil, buy signal here, holding firm. All right. Holding firm, need to get past resistance here. Just consolidating right here. All right. That's crude oil. Gold. All right. Gold, buy signal here. All right. Buy signal was right here at 2100 and change, right? Holding firm right here in the futures market at 2347 right here. A bit of a pullback, holding that trend line, all green candles. All right. So it's holding firm. All right. Much better price activity rather than the gold index itself. Okay. So in the futures, looks good. We're going to take a quick look at monster futures here from Friday. Let's see what's going on here. All right. We're looking for commodities. All right. So nothing major. All right. No, we don't see any metals, no energy. Here's one crude oil. All right. So nothing on Friday. Okay. Shorts. Let's see here. Interest rates are still down. Platinum, let's see, platinum, palladium. All right, nothing here. Okay. All right, we should see more metals, all right, in the futures market. So that's strange. That's strange. Okay, Monster ETF. We've got 5 positions in Monster ETF. Okay. All right, DBC, that's the commodity index. All right, an ETF buy signal here, good price action, heading towards our resistance right here. All right, so buy signal here, doing well. Right, good markdown phase, resistance is right here. All right, so that's good. That's DBC. DBE, all right, what's that? That's energy, guys. All right, that's ETF buy signal here, pullback. All right, nice bounce last week. Green candles coming in, target all the way up here. All right, buy signal was at 20.44, closing on Friday 21, target up here at about 23. Okay, DOG. All right, DOG. That's your Dow short, Dow 30 short. So as the Dow moves lower, okay, this will move higher. That's your Dow short, okay, holding firm right now. And TWM, I told you guys we have a lot to go over. Okay, TWM, that's your Russell short. All right, Russell short. All right, let's go here. TWM. All right, buy signal here, white candle, that's holding. All right, but we know the Russell is coming down. All right, so this should move higher. Support right here. Previous resistance becomes support, so it's holding right there. All right, that's in Monster ETF. Let's take a look at equities. We do have a few equities. All right, we do have a few equities from Friday. Now we've trimmed positions quite a bit. All right. Any positions we add in Stock Boss and Bullmaster will be energies. Okay. Energy basic material. All right. So CRK. All right. CRK. That's an energy stock. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Good price action, guys. Moving higher here. Broke resistance, near term resistance, target all the way up here. So buy signal was at 896, closed on Friday 1032, target, first target, all right, 12 and change. Okay, ORGN, all right, and that's basic materials. All right, buy signal here, that's holding. Energy pump did really good on Friday, guys. Good markdown phase here. All right, buy signal on pump was 839, right about there. Closed on Friday 898. All right, resistance is right here. All right, first target here. If it can get past resistance here, next target on pump is about let's see here. I would say right about here. Okay, so good price action, nice big candle on Friday. Okay, PUMP. All right, SSRM, good markdown phase, gap down here, buy signal. All right, and this is basic material, buy signal here. All right, look at those buyers coming in here. I know it's slow buying, but higher lows right here, higher lows moving up nicely here. We could see a pop in this one. Okay. All right. That's mining stock right here. Buy signal here. All right. And then the last one, notice energy basic materials, guys. All right. VTRN, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this one here. We need buyers to come in this week, especially tomorrow. All right. Support is here. We've got decent support. This is a cheap stock. At 115 is support. Trading close on Friday 125. We need buyers to come on back in. Okay. And that is energy. Okay. Bullmaster. All right. Bullmaster. HCC. All right. That's energy. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. The only one we have here that's not basic materials, right, commodities, is this financial, and it's the only other sector we have, and just that one individual stock. Okay, so JXN, buy signal here, moving up nicely, it's holding. Okay, but that's financials, that's the only one we have. Okay, all right, let's take a look at Stock Boss. Let's see if we can find any additional energy, basic material stocks, and then we'll spend some time on monster scalper. Okay, I'll get you guys out in time. Okay, and just remember, yen pairs, big move here. All right, big move. Our monster scalper traders, you guys should be, as far as Forex, this is where we should be. All right, this is where we should be here. All right. All right. All right, Alexis. Yeah, if we have time, we'll take care. We'll take a look at of your was that Hasbro. Send me this if you would put this. We'll analyze it. Put your symbol. Just put the symbol for Hasbro in the chat for me, please. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Let's go here. So Stock Boss, Bullmaster. Let's see. All right. Let's run Hit Seeker. We've got 34. All right. We'll go through this quickly here. All right. Nothing here. That's gone. These are basic materials. All right. HAS. All right. Awesome. All right. Thanks. All right. Nothing here. All right. Nothing here. These are all basic materials. AMBP. Keep an eye on it. Our Stock Boss traders. All right. This looks like a new IPO, is it? Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, that's all the data. Might be a new IPO from a couple of years ago. Buy signal here. Well, no buy signal, but green candles here. Wait for a buy signal. All right. Good markdown phase here. And this is AMBP. And that's basic materials. Okay. Energy. Pump is still here. Okay. IMPP. Let's see here. And that is energy here. All right. We'll add IMPP. All right. Now, guys, it has to get past resistance here at 366, trading at 314. All right. So we're going to add it in Stock Boss. Okay. But just know, right, it needs to get past that resistance here. Okay. All right. All right. We've got, all right. So that's everything else. All the other sectors, leave them alone for now. All right. Leave them alone for now. Okay. Bull Master. Let's run it. All right. 45. So we see some activity here. MAG, that's gone. That's gone. All these are basic materials here. That's gone. That's gone. You guys see what these basic materials stocks are doing? Energy. All right. CRX. I think we're in this one, right? Yes, yes, that's energy there. And let's see here. That's gone. That's gone. Energy. Hold on. Okay, we're going to add this one. That's reaccumulation. All right, so we got new buyers entering, guys. Breaking resistance here, new buyers. All right, that's always a good sign. All right, I know it's up in the markup phase, but it's energy. All right, and they're buying energy right now. WFRD, and that's in Bull Master. Okay, Bull Master. All right. Okay, so while we are here, all right, Alexis, let's take a look at your stock, HAS. All right. All right, so your buy signal was at 19, HAS. Oh, you bought 19 at $50. Okay, so your buy signal here, now it all depends on what time frame you're trading on. So your buy signal was about $50, right about here. All right, our buy signal came in here. So you bought it at about 50 here and went up to 65. Yes, 64, 65, gapped up. Okay, so right now, the system, our system Bull Master, okay, is holding the trade. All right, so buy signal here, still holding. We do have resistance here. So this would be our target here. All right, now can't give you any advice, but it's up to you, right? Resistance is right here. Buy signal was here. All right, so the target would be here, first target. All right. Now let's bring in a weekly time frame, and it's near that target right here. So you could see it gapped up though. So they might fill that gap. Let's bring out a weekly time frame to see if we have. All right. So on the weekly time frame, big candle here on the weekly. Okay. You've got support down here. All right, support. We can call this support. All right, so it's breaking through here. So there's a good possibility. I don't know what sector this is, but there's a good possibility it could break through resistance here. Okay, if it gets past resistance here at 67, next resistance, next target, and this is where the sellers, right? We always need to look at where the selling started. Okay. So if we can get past resistance here, right here, we have resistance here. Okay. All right. Good thing about this stock, had a big week last week. All right. So buyers are definitely coming in. If we can get past this area here, next target about 94. Okay. All right. On a monthly time frame, no guarantee on this. Okay. Monthly time frame. All right, so we definitely have support down here. All right, boy, look at that. Price came all the way down here. They brought that back all the way up. So they're watching that $45 level. Even here, brought it all down to 45, pushed it back up, brought it down here to 45, pushed it back up here. The only concern here is that you notice here, right, price came all the way to that moving average, sellers came on down. Price came to that moving average, you could have sellers come on down. But based on how they're buying it, all right, you have support right here. Also, we could see buyers come all the way back up. And again, resistance, big resistance up here at 94 right here. Okay. All right. So just good luck with that. Trade accordingly. Okay. Trade accordingly. All right. Let's move this back to the daily time frame. Now let's go to Monster Scalper and then we'll be done, guys. Monster Scalper and we'll be done. All right. So our Monster Scalper traders, if you've missed it, we should be on these trades. If you've missed it, all right, go to your smaller time frames here. All right, you can look for opportunities here. Okay. All right, we definitely have a rotation going on. We've been waiting for a rotation. All right, so Aussie, New Zealand, Kiwi pairs, and yen pairs all blue. That's exactly what we want to see. All right, that's exactly what we want to see. Our top performing pairs, Aussie, New Zealand. Let's take a look here. That's number one. All right, buy signal here. I don't know why this is number one, but it is. All right, USD MXN. All right, I don't know why that's number two. That might be coming down, I guess. Aussie CAD, buy signal here. That's holding. Number four, HKD JPY. All right, so we're starting with the yen pairs. HKD JPY, number four. Number five, Swiss yen. Always pay attention to your leaders up here. All right, dollar yen. Look at that. Aussie yen. Look at that. Pound yen. All right, Singapore dollar yen. All right, euro yen. ZAR yen. All right, CAD yen. All right, New Zealand yen down here. All right, so all the yen pairs, guys, moving higher. Okay, now notice here, all right, nice rotation. What we would like to see is these dollar pairs come on down. All right, so dollar ZAR. All right, dollar ZAR. We're almost done. We're right on time here. Dollar ZAR. Need that to come on down. USD TRY. We know nothing here. All right, USD SGD, we need that to come on down. All right, USD SEK, we don't have a sell short signal, but we need these dollar pairs, guys, all right, to come on down. All right, USD HUF, trying to come down right now. All right, for these yen pairs to move higher, we need these dollar pairs to come on down. Okay. All right, USD HKD, USD DKK. All right, so we need this to come on down. All right, also the euro pairs. All right, euro pound. All right, these pairs, we need this to turn, all of this to turn red. All right, or the majority. All right, pound pairs, pound pairs. We pound dollar, we are long pound dollar right here. All right, so pound dollar right here, we are long. Okay, remember this is the inverse. So as these come down, all right, that pound dollar should move higher. Euro dollar right here, all right, should move higher. Right, bit of a pullback, but that should move higher there. All right, so we'll look when we're done. I'll take some time going through. You might find some opportunities here. All right, be careful shorting the dollar. Okay, even if the dollar pairs come on down, okay, they're not really smooth trades. Okay, they're choppy because that the dollar index, all right, the dollar index is still holding right here. All right, so these shorts will be choppy. So your best trade again is the yen pairs. Okay, yen pairs. All right. US 30, our monster US 30 traders. Take a quick look. All right. We had a great long, where was, I think this was the long trade right here. Okay. We could get another long trade, but just remember, all right, we have a sell short signal here. Sell short signal, sellers are definitely in control. We've got lower highs, lower lows, red candles. Support is here. We could see this. We could see sellers come in. Here was the previous sell short. Okay, here, sell short here. And guess what? We could see sellers come in and get another sell short signal to move further down. If the price breaks the resistance up here, this on the 60-minute, all right, we could see we might call a buy signal, but it's got to get past resistance up here. Okay, so be nimble, like, and we've said that with the US 30. Okay, anything can happen here. Okay, so um, we could see buyers come in. So if it holds, all right, if it continues to move higher, green candles, and breaks resistance, give a buy signal here, right, would certainly call that buy signal. And that will get us back into the box, back above, right, previous support into this area, right? This market has been doing whatever it wants, okay, whatever it wants. So we just have to follow the price action. I know we have sell short signals, okay, but this market could change. All right, sell short signal here on the Dow, on the Nasdaq, on the S&P and the Russell. VIX has come down a bit. Okay, all the sectors are down, but if you guys look here, all right, right, gapped up on Friday with a white candle here. Okay, white candle here, that's on the Nasdaq. So it's recaptured almost support. Okay, we could see buyers come in and push that price, right? Shorts get squeezed, start moving higher. Okay, this is the kind of market we've had, very strong market. Okay, so even with this selling, everything should say, right, we should move lower. All these sectors are down, but we've seen it where buyers will come in, right? We end up the season, selling may and go away, all right? But we have to trade the price action, okay? Even on, and I'm done. I promise I'm done. Even on the S&P right here. If we look at the S&P right here, same thing here, all right? Same thing here. Sell short signal here, big white candle here, all right? Getting near that support. If buyers coming in a big way tomorrow and Tuesday, we could be in a position where we are testing the all-time highs again. All right. So it's just the kind of market, guys. Look at that. Okay. It can do something like this. Boom. All of a sudden, we're moving higher again. All right. So just be flexible. Don't be rigid with your, all right, with your trading. Okay. Be nimble. All right. So that if things change, you can change along with it. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Thanks for coming this evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great trading week. All right. All right. Great trading week. Alexis, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.